A Tallahassee attorney claims FDLE may have concealed evidence in a quadruple murder.
Those allegations come just days before Henry Segura is set to stand trial for the murder of his ex-girlfriend and her 3 children. A judge is expected to decide tomorrow whether that trial will go on.
Brandy Peters, her twin 6-year-old daughters, and her 3-year-old son were found murdered in their home on Saddle Creek Run nearly 5 years ago. The boys' father, Henry Segura, was later arrested and accused of their murders.
We really believe that he is not guilty of these charges.
Now, Segura's attorney is asking a judge to dismiss the case or delay the trial. A motion filed in court last week says there is no DNA evidence tying Henry Segura to these murders, but claims the DNA of a drug trafficker was found on a phone casing inside the house. Segura's attorney contends the FBI notified FDLE of this partial match in 2013, but FDLE did not disclose it for another 2 years, calling the DNA not interpretable. This was no harmless error, defense attorney Chuck Hobbs wrote, rather that it was a conscious, willful, and deliberate attempt by FDLE to conceal information.
The suggestion that anybody's hiding anything, I disagree with.
Prosecutor Jack Campbell says he won't discuss any specifics in the evidence. He says he'll be making his arguments in court.
I think we've arrested the appropriate person, and I think that the evidence is going to show that we're certainly focused on the person we should be, and that Mr. Segura is responsible for these crimes.
FDLE says it is aware of the allegations, but says they are, quote, best addressed in court. A hearing is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon.